This app will help you recover all photos, all videos, all audio, all files, documents lost or deleted on your phone. Let me show you this app. You may be interested to recover all you have lost on your phone. This particular app will show you everything you have deleted on that your phone. Let me show you. Recover all deleted data on your phone. Even if you delete that in 20 years ago, you can still recover it on that phone. Download this app called Dr. Phone. Click on open. When you open it, it will bring you to this interface. You can see recently deleted data on your phone. Now check what you want to recover. You have photos, you have videos, you have audios, you have file. If you want to recover audios, even if you delete last year or 10 years ago on your phone, what you need to do is just to click on the particular one you want to recover, like audio. Just click on audio and give it access by clicking this. When you give it access, it will open. Choose file you want to recover it to, and come down here and click on use this folder. Click on it and then click on allow. When you click on allow, it will bring you to this interface where it will scan everything on your phone and bring those audios you have deleted. You can see audio and you can see scanning. Look at it, it's scanning. It have recovered about 5 files. Okay, now it's going to recover everything. After, come here and click on all this. Click on it one by one this way. Anyone you want to recover, just touch it. You want it back on your phone, just mark it this way. And after marking, you see the way I tick it. Come down here and click on recover. It will be recovered immediately to your phone. Now to recover photo, go back, okay, and you see photo here. Just do the same thing. Look at video, you can do the same thing. Is there any document on your phone that you have deleted or that you lost? You don't know what happened? Come here and click on file this way. Do the same thing. Choose the folder you want it to recover it to. And then click on give access. Allow the access. Now you select your folder. After that, click on this downside where you have use this folder. When you click on it this way, allow it. Now it will scan everything and bring all the file you have deleted, text messages, everything on your phone. Please, if you find this video useful, this is the best video people have been looking for. The best you can support is to do what? Share it. You can see all these are what I've deleted on my phone. Are you getting me? Now what you need to do is to click on the one you want to recover this way. You see it? You see it? Just click on it and click on recover. It will be recovered back to your phone. That's how to recover that. You can see how many files that is able to recover. It can recover anything you have deleted on your phone. That is ASAP. If you find it useful, please do well to share for others to benefit.